Hi everyone, Thomas here and welcome to Web Report. In this video I will show you a tutorial describes the solution when you can't type in the search bar on Windows 11. First step is right-click Start button, click Run, type Temp, and click OK. Click View, click Show Hidden Files and Folders. Select all and delete all files and folders. Second step is open File Explorer, C Drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Search with Ctfmon.exe. Create shortcut for Ctfmon.exe on the desktop. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type Shell Common Startup. Click OK. Copy Ctfmon.exe and paste it into Common Startup folder. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helped you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.